Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of yesterday class. Okay, but particularly now we are going to discuss about it's one of the very attractive technique of Vedic maths. That is, in English we can say vertically crosswise. Okay, vertically crosswise. Another one name also grounding gem of Vedic maths. So grounding gem of Vedic maths. Okay, this is sutra name Urdhya Diryabhayam in sutra name. Okay, so what is the meaning of vertically crosswise? Vertically crosswise means we can apply any digit into any digit multiply also. If it example double digit into double digit and triple digit into double digit, then 4 digit into double digit as well as 4 digit into triple digit, then 5 digit into 4 digit, whatever any digit into any digit also we can multiply. So without using a regular method. Okay, so regular method means without using the calculator also. So listen very carefully, one by one we can discuss. So first I am moving to double digit. Okay, double digit into double digit. So double digit into double digit value 35 into 98, then 74 into 68. So 45 into 83, then 95 into 27. 4 number is there. So first we can consider the 4 dot is there, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is there. Example, how many step will we need means 4 step, sorry my dear, 3 step will come. How we are taking 3 step? Listen, 1, 2, again dots. So 3 step means according to the condition, the step, how many step possible? 3 step. How means, so number of step is equal to, so what is the concept? Double digit in double digit. Therefore we can say no, 2 digit, that is double 2 number, no, 2 digit plus the 2 digit, then minus 1, common minus. Therefore 2 digit plus 2 digit means 4 digit minus 1, therefore 3 digit. So how many step will come? 3 digit will come. As well as next term, triple digit into double digit means instead of 2 digit we can say 3 digit. Therefore 3 digit plus 2 digit 5 digit will come, then 5 digit minus 1 means 4 digit, 4 step will come. That's why taken for the first step, second step, third step. So what you have to, this is person 1, this is person 2. So consider for room 1 and room 2 means first person 1 going to first room. So when you person 1 moving to room 1 means never come to person 2 in room 1. Whenever the person 1, that is second step. So whenever this is person 1, person 2, so room 1, room 2. This is also person 1, person 2, room 1 and room 2 means whenever the person 1 left out the room 1 means the person 1 going to the, this is we can write second step, person 1 going to the room 2, then the person 2 automatically will move on room 1. Then after finishing the second step, the person 1, it's after taking the vertically crosswise, directly we can say person 2 will be move on room 2. This is the 3 step. Okay, listen within one line. Okay, what I am saying, person 1 going to room 1, therefore first one, 8 5s are 40, 0, carry will be 4. The next one cross, isn't it? 3 8s are 24, 9 5s are 45. So 24 plus 45, 69. 69 already carry 4 is a 73. Therefore 3 again carry will be 7. Now the person moving on room 2. Therefore 9 3s are 27. Already carry 7 is there. Therefore 27 plus 7 is equal to 34. Okay, this is your answer. 35 into 98 is equal to 3430 within one line. Okay. So clear no? 9 3s are 27, carry 7 is yes. So 27 plus 7 is equal to 34. Okay, the next one. I hope you understand this is the 3 step. So next one. So next one, 8 4s are 32. So carry will be 3. 7 8s are 56. 6 4s are 24. 56 plus 24 means 80. Now 80 plus 3 is equal to 83. Again carry will be 8. So carry will be 8 means 7 6 are 40. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 8 is equal to 50. Therefore answer will be 5032. Then next step. 5 3s are 15. 5 1 carry. Then 4 3s are 12. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 12 is equal to 52. 52 plus 1 is equal to 53. Again carry will be 5. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 5 is equal to 37. Next step. So next last one number. 5 7s are 35. Again 5 means 3 will be carry. 9 7s are 63. 2 5s are 10. 63 plus 10 is equal to 73. 73 plus 3 is equal to 76. Therefore now the carry will be 7. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 7 is equal to 25. This is your answer. 95 into 27 is equal to 2565. Now I hope you understand how to find out double digit into double digit. Now look at there. I am moving to find out for triple digit into double digit. So listen very carefully. So listen my dear. So triple digit into double digit. So triple digit into double digit. So step already I told you what is the meaning. Number of step 3 digit plus double digit means minus 1 will come. So 3 plus 2 means 5 digit minus 1. Therefore 4. Number of step will come 4 step. Okay. Listen very carefully. Again some example we can discuss. Triple digit no. 3 5 8 into 64. Then 9 3 7 into 83. 7 4 8 into 49. Now 49. 482 into 67. The same step, but how many steps possible? 4 steps, isn't it? But we can take it 0, then it will be very easy. You know, the same concept. First 8 4s are 32. 32 means true, carry will be 3. 6 8s are 48. 5 4s are 20. 48 plus 20 is equal to 68. 68 plus 3 is equal to 71. Carry will be 7. Next step, listen very carefully. Cross to cross, 8 into 0, 0. 3 4s are 12. Then center. So 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 12 is equal to 42. Carry already we have 7. 42 plus 7 is equal to 49. Now we have 4 is there. Now after taking third step, then again move on. Again move on fourth step, isn't it? So fourth step means definitely what is the meaning? Listen very carefully. 5 into 0, 0. 3 6 are 18 only. Sorry my dear, 18 already carry 4 is there now. Carry will be 22, isn't it? Just we can check it normal multiply. 3 5 8 into 64. So normally what will you do? 8 4s are 32 means true, then 3. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Again carry true. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Next number 6 8s are 48. Again now carry 4. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. Now carry 3. Then 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. Look at there, true. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Now 1, 9, true and true. Double 2, 9, 1, true. Double 2, 9, 1, true. So, proved, no? This is the way. Okay, I am moving to next question. Next one, take it 0. So, 7 3s are 21. 1, true carry. 3 3s are 9. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 9 is equal to 65. 65 plus 2 is equal to 67. Now 6. Next one, 9 3s are 27. So 7 into 0 is 0. But middle term is there now. 3 8s are 24. Therefore, 27 plus 24 is equal to 51. Now, so 27 plus 24, isn't it? Listen very carefully. Correct, no? 27 plus 24. Definitely 51. Yeah, it's correct now. Now, 51 already carry 6 is there now. Therefore, 51 plus 6 is equal to 57. Again carry now 5. Now look at the 3 into 0, 0. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 7 is equal to 77. So therefore, 937 into 83 is equal to 4, 7 and 1 will come. The next term, 9 8s are 72. Carry will be 7. 9 4s are 36. 8 4s are 32. Therefore, 36 plus 32 is equal to 70. Now 70 plus 7 is equal to 77. Again 7. Next one, 9 7s are 63. 8 4s are 32. So 63 plus 32 is equal to 95. So 95. Then middle term also. Middle term 16 is there. So 95 plus 16. Therefore 111, isn't it? 111 and carry 7 is there. Therefore 118. So 118 means 8 is there. Remaining 11 is there. Listen very carefully. Then next step. So 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 11 is equal to 39, isn't it? So listen very carefully. What is the value? 7 4 8 and 49. 9 8s are 72. 7 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 7 is equal to 43. Now again carry will be 4. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 4 is equal to 67. Next term, 8 4s are 32. 32 means again carry will be 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. Again 1. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1 is equal to 29. So 2, 5, 6, 1, 10, 16, 1, 3. 3 double 6, 5 true. Some mistake is there. So we can check it once again. Listen. The number 748, isn't it? 748 into 49. Now 9 8s are 72. True and carry 7 is there. So 9 4s are 36, isn't it? So 9 4s are 36. Again 8 4s are 32. Therefore 36 plus 32. Yeah, here mistake I think. 9 4s are 36 and 32. Definitely value will be 68. So 68 plus 7 is equal to 75. Now 5. Yeah, it's correct. Again carry will be 7. Now 9 7s are 63. Here 0. 63 plus 16 is equal to 63 plus 16 is equal to 79. 79 plus 7 is equal to 86. Again 6. Now carry we can write it 8. Now next number 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 8 is equal to 36. 3 6 6 5. Now last one, term of triple digit into double digit. 2 7s are 14. Carry 1. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 12, 68. 68 plus 1 is equal to 69. Again carry 6. 4 7s are 28. 28, 8 6 are 48. Therefore, 48 plus 28 is equal to 76. 76 plus 6 is equal to 82. Again carry will be 8. Next term, 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 8 is equal to 32. 3 2 2 9 4. Okay, I am moving to triple digit into triple digit. Okay. Here triple digit. Okay. Triple digit into triple digit. Some number 9 6 true. True 3 9 into 1 5 4 8 3 9 then 3 8 7 4 2 1 3 9 3 8 9 7. So now 2 9s are 18, 8 carry will be 1. So 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6 is equal to 60. 60 plus 1 is equal to 61. Again a carry will be 6, isn't it? Next term, what we have to do next term? 2 2s are 4. Then 2 2s are 4. 9 9s are 81. Listen, 81 and 4. Center 18 is there. So 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. 23 plus 8 is equal to 103. Already carry 6 is there. Therefore 109 means now we have carry 10. Now next one, 9 3s are 27. 27, 2 6 are 12. 27 plus 12 is equal to 39. 39 plus 10 is equal to 49. Therefore now we have carry 4 is there. So 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. So answer we have 22 9918, isn't it? Check it once again. 2 9s are 18. 8 carry 1. Then 2 3s are 6. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6 is equal to 60. Now 60 already carry 1. That's why 61. Now we have the carry 6. After taking multiply, we have the solution is that you can check it, okay, whether it's right or wrong. If it's wrong means put in comment box. I will ready to rectify. Next step. Next number 9 4s are 36. 6 now carry 3. Next one 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 12 is equal to 57, isn't it? 45 plus 12 is equal to 57. 57 plus 3 is equal to 60. Now we have the carry 6. Next one 1 9s are 9. Then 8 4s are 32. Then center 5 3s are 15. Listen very carefully. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 plus 50 is equal to 30. 30 plus 32 is equal to 62. Again we have carry 6 only. Next one 5 8s are 40. Then 1 3s are 3. Now 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 40 plus 9 is equal to 49. Now we have carry 4 only. So 1 8s are 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So 1 2 9 2 0 6. Next one 7 8 and 14. 8 and 14 means 22. So 2 carry 3 28 31. 31 plus 16 47. 47 plus 2 49. Now we have the carry 4 only. So 3 2s are 6. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6 is equal to 38. 38 plus 4 is equal to 42. Again carry 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Last one 7 3s are 21. Now we have the carry 2. So 9 7s are 63. Now again 9 3s are 27. Now 27 plus 3 is equal to 30. 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. 90 plus 2 is equal to 92. Now we have carry 9 only. Next one 8 3s are 24. So 3 7s are 21. 9 9s are 81. Look at there. 20 plus 20 40. 45. 45. 45 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 55. 55 plus 80 is equal to 135. 55 plus 80 is equal to 135. So 135 means now 5. We can say the carry 13 only. We have the carry 13. Next one 9 8s are 72. Then 3 9s are 27. Now 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. 40 plus 72 is equal to 112. Now 2. Now we have the carry 11 only. Last digit 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 11 is equal to 35. Answer. So check it once again dear. So 35 no. 3 5 2 5 2 1. Check it. I think it's correct. Okay. You can check it. Now the 4 digit into triple digit. Okay. 3 5 8 2 9 1 6. Now 7 3 9 2 8 1 5. Same one. 2 6 are 12. Carry 1. 8 6 are 48. 2 2 are so 51. Now we have the carry 5 only. 5. Next one. 2 9s are 18. 5 6 are 30. 1 8s are 8. Now, so 38, 46, 56, 61. So 1. Now we have the carry 6 only. The last one, look at there. 2 and 0. This way. Cross, cross. So 2 into 0, 0. 3 6 are 18. Then 9 8s are 72. The next one, 5 1s are 5. Therefore, 72 plus 18 is equal to 90. 95. 95 plus 6 is equal to 101. Now carry 10. Then after finishing the cross 4, then 3. 8 into 0, 0. 3 1s are 3. 9 5s are 45. 45, 55 plus 3 is equal to 58. Again carry 5 only. Now 2 digits. 0, 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 5 is equal to 32. Next one. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 9 5s are 45. 2 1s are true. So 48. Now carry 4 only. Next time 3 5s are 45. Next one 2 8s are 16. Then 1 into 9 9. Now 45 plus 4 is equal to 49. 49 plus 9 is equal to 58. 58 plus 6 is equal to 64. 64 plus 10 is equal to 74. So now 4 will come. Again carry will be 7. The next one 2 0 5 7s are 35. 3 1 9 8s are 72. So 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 72 82. 82 plus 5 means 87. 87 117, isn't it? So now 7 will come. Carry will be again 7. Next one. So 0 1 into 7 7. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 11 is equal to 35. 35 plus 7 is equal to 42. Again 4 only. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4 is equal to 60. So I hope this is the way you can apply. Okay, 4 digit into 3 digit, even 4 digit into 4 digit also. I think you know. Do it your own self. Okay, without using the regular method, without using the calculator also. Okay. This method is very easy. Regular method means step by step. This is a one single step means I sure you can do. Okay. This is a vertically crosswise, and then sutra name also Urdhva Dhyavya. So now another one term, how to whatever the number multiplied into 25. Into 25 means, so example 484 into 25. Then 13579 into 25. Then 38948268 into 25. So 78432562 into 25. Okay. Then single second, within seconds only. Okay, not in minutes, within seconds, whether 40 to 50, 10 to 30 seconds, like that. This is very easy now, because 25 means what is the meaning? Already we know what is the meaning of into 5. We can divide now 10 by 2. But 25 means we can say now 100 by 4, isn't it? So each and every time divided by 4. We can simply now 4 divided by 4 1, 8 divided by 4 2, 4 divided by again 4 1, then add it to 0. This is your answer. 484 into 25 means 12100. Then next one, look at there. First divided by 4, 13. 12 we can possible now. 12 divided by 4, 3 4s are 12, isn't it? Then carry 1 is there, 15. Again 3 4s are 12. Now carry 3 is there, 37. 9 4s are 36. 1 carry, now 19. Again look at there, 19 means 4 4s are 16. Now 3 is there. Listen very carefully. 3 balance. Already we know what is the meaning of 25. 100 by 4. Therefore just 0 add no. 300 divided by 4 means what is the meaning? 300 divided by 4. So 30 is there. 7 4s are 28. Now 28 means true carry. Then 20 balance. So 20 divided by 4 means we can write now 5. This is your answer. 13579 into 25 is equal to 339475. Next one. Here also 38. 9 4s are 36. 29 is there. 7 4s are 28. Again 40. 3 4s are 12. 2 is there. 28. So 7 4s are 28. Next 26 is there. So 26 means what will happen? 28. 7 4s are 28. Now 2 not possible. 0. Again 26. 26 means definitely 6 4s are 24. 2 is there. 28. 28 means 7 4s are 28. Then add it 2 0. Therefore 3894 826 into 25 is equal to 973706 700. The last one. 7 is there. 1 4s are 4. Balance 3 38. 9 4s are 36. Now true. So 6 4s are 24. Now 3 is there, not possible. 0. 32. 8 4s are 32. Next one 5 1. 16 means 4 4s are 16. Last one 2 is there. So only 2. No. Add it 2 0. Add it 2 0 means what will happen? 200 divided by 4 means we can say no. 50 times, isn't it? So 200 divided by 4 means definitely 5 4s are 20. So 50 is there. Here I think 050 will come because 2 is there, no? Now add it 0, then 50. Okay, 78432562 into 25 means the answer will be 196081450. Okay, next one. Next one into 11, very simple, whatever the number into 101. So example 808 into 101, then 999 into 101. So 777 into 101, 343 into 101. Very simple logic. Look at there. First, right side 80 is there. Here 08 is there. Right side 80. Then opposite side 08. Then opposite of the term only. Starting and end of the number only. Just add it. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. But 6 is here. 1 write it here. Now add it now. 8 0 6 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and 8. Therefore 808 into 101 is equal to 81608. Here the same one. First right side 99, opposite side also 99. Then center 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 means 8 and 1. Therefore 9 9 8. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Here again 77. Left side 77 means right side also 77. Again 7 plus 7 means 14. 4 1. Therefore 7 7 4. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Again 7. Next one 34 43. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 only. Directly we can write it center. Okay, 343 into 101 means 34643. Okay, so please listen, my dear students. I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next session. Bye bye.